All right, guys, just finished a workout. Got the whole thing done while Robert had Rigel, which was really great. But then I came out to find Rigel's favorite song playing. They are nowhere to be seen. So I did some rounds around the warehouse and I finally found them in this area, all the way over here in the apparel, knocked out. Little cuties. But yeah, sorry, trying to get this thing there. I did my workout. It was great. It felt really great to get back in the gym again today. It's a couple days in between each time I get to go to the gym, but I did chest and shoulders today. This week I'm incorporating some cables and I'm doing 4 sets instead of 3 sets, and I just feel really good. I feel super, like I'm gonna be super sore tomorrow. I could definitely feel the fatigue hitting hardcore, but I don't feel like I lost much strength going back on the cables. I haven't lost much strength. We'll see how I do with the dumbbells and barbells whenever I get back to doing those in a couple of weeks, but feeling really good. Feels so good to like move my body and all that after kind of feeling stagnant for a few weeks. So anyways, I'm gonna go relieve this guy of baby duties and we're gonna get on with the rest of our day. So talk to you guys later.
Well, hello y'all. I'm eating a chocolate malt keto brick. I haven't had a chocolate malt keto brick in a while, and I love chocolate malt keto bricks. They're probably my favorite flavor. I've noticed that my hunger has intensified as of late, which is interesting. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna have chicken for lunch, and I'm training back today here. That's what we got going on now. My podcast that was scheduled for today got rescheduled because my guest was having some allergies. He lost his voice. So yeah, my afternoons open up a little bit. We're gonna be shooting some promo stuff for the Macadamia Madness commercial, which you've already seen. But yeah, that's what I got going on right now. I'm pre-looking at some videos that Chip has edited for this vlog series for tomorrow's video. So that's what I got going on right now. I'm gonna eat my brick, watch this, catch you in a bit. All right, y'all, so this is my lunch. We got the chicken, we got 2 tablespoons of the Primal Kitchen mayo, and I put some Cholula on there, and that is what we're gonna eat for lunch. All right, y'all, we just got done filming the promo video for the Macadamia Madness launch. It was fun. You probably can't make any sense of any of this math because I certainly can't. I mean, what the heck is that? Who knows? I have no idea. That's not even a formula. But it was fun nonetheless. There's probably a whole bunch of blooper reels to get from that. So, Chip, if you got a good blooper reel, just throw that in right here.
Hey, Robert, a possible wholesaler in Australia gifted us these notes. Sorry.
Ooh, I love macadamia nuts. Is that what I'm saying?
1,000 calorie. Oh, dang it.
Yeah.
There's no way that you can do that. I forgot what my part was that time. Dang it. Oh. Hold on.
Man, tell you what, why don't you just call it a day?
Dang it.
You're obviously tired. Sugar alcohol? Inconceivable! Inconceivable! Inconceivable!
This is madness! I don't know which part you want.
Nuts. 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 Oh, this is already on the board. I forgot to erase it. Madness. This is Keto Brick.
What's up, you guys? All right, Robert just got back home. It is about 5 or 10 minutes to 6 o'clock. I don't know the last time I washed my hair, so we're gonna do that today. This is not cute. Jack's making noises at me. So I'm going to take a shower. I have been taking showers. I just haven't washed my hair. So I'm going to take a shower, wash my hair, do all the things. Robert just finished a back workout. Yeah, back workout. He said that he crushed it. I wouldn't know because I wasn't there. I'm going to take his word for it. So crushed a back workout. I'm going to take a shower. He's got Rigel. Rigel was just fed. My brain's going a million different miles an hour. The house is a mess. And we have a lot to do tonight. So, just one of those days that he just had crushed it. He's not listening to a word I said. So, we'll talk to you guys later. I'm going to go take a shower. Bye.
Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. What's we got cooking? Let me tell you what we got cooking. We got some spicy cheeseburger cooking. I don't know if y'all can read that. But I'm going to have half of that. That's in the oven right now at 350 degrees. Half of that spicy cheeseburger is going to give me 1,800 calories, 1,876 to be exact, which is going to make my total intake for the day 4,264 calories, 352 grams of dietary fat, 20.2 grams of total carbs, and 220 grams of protein for a total fat ratio of 76.7% of my total daily calories coming from dietary fat. I'll show you that meal as soon as it gets out of the oven. Wednesday, which is today, is our busiest day of the week usually. We've got a lot of meetings. We've got podcast calls. We have a late night meeting. It's just a busy day. So I haven't really gotten a whole lot of clips today. So thought I'd bring you up to speed on what I've noticed, kind of an epiphany I've had as of late with regard to this caloric surplus. If you've listened to any of my podcasts or watched any of my content lately, you know that I've been doing a deep dive into yoga and mobility stuff because, I don't know, my joints just have felt a little achy. Not because, I don't know why they felt achy, honestly. Probably because I just am I'm getting old, according to Crystal. I'm just not good at flex, like, I don't stretch, I don't do any proactive mobility work ever. Like, I'm not good at it. I just don't do it. I don't make a habit of it. Like, I don't stretch before a workout, I don't stretch after a workout, I just don't do it. I would love to have a sauna at some point and do stuff like that, but I don't have that yet. So I've been kind of aching and ailing, and I've been getting to yoga, which has been good. However, as of late, I haven't had any aches and pains, and I think it's because of the caloric surplus. You hear the word or the phrase overtraining tossed around a lot. And while I think overtraining is a legitimate thing, I think more often than not, people overuse that phrase and they're not truly overtraining. Most people aren't really training hard enough to warrant an overtraining, description of their training. And that may be a bold statement, but it's honestly just the reality. I don't see a lot of whole people training to the intensity level that would classify them as overtraining. Now, that said, even if you're not training very intensely, if you are underfed, undernourished, and under-recovered as a result of lack of sleep, or not eating enough food, not eating enough quality food, you're not going to make the most of that training, and you may experience more aches and pains. Now, my sleep is not optimal right now with Rigel, but it's not that bad. I can't really blame him for anything. He's a pretty easy keeper. But I've definitely been in a caloric surplus as of late, and I think I'm most definitely getting all the nutrients I need to recover from my training, which has been more intense as of late as well. And I haven't had any aches or pains for the past week or so. So that was kind of an aha moment for me. So if you're dealing with a bunch of aches and pains and you're under eating, probably would do you good to spend some time in a caloric surplus. So there's my 2 cents on that. I'm going to check my food in the oven, and I'll holler back at you in just a second. Alright, y'all, that is the casserole. That's going to be my final meal of the day, and that's going to be a wrap on the macros, y'all. That said, we'll see you tomorrow.